Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Odissi Dance. Today we will talk about main fundamental positions of Odissi dance. So let's get started.
Samabhang. Samabhang is the first position in the dance. Sama means saman or equal. Bhang is pose. Equal pose from head to toe. In the beginning of the dance, a dancer generally stand in Samabhang position. Abhang. Abhang is slightly bent from the hip. It is a natural pose used in daily lives. Women stand on one leg more by giving pressure on it. You will never see someone balancing on both legs equally for a long time. This position is also used to depict Lord Ram. Dubhang. Dubhang is bent from two parts of the body, from hip and from head. Generally, people get confused between Abhang and Dubhang. So make sure Abhang is only bent from the hip, and in Dubhang it is bent from head and hip. Tribhang. Tribhang is the main pose and mostly used in Odissi dance. In this, feet are made in T-shaped position. Hip is being bent. Chest is taken to the other side or opposite direction, and head is bent on the same side of the hip. Three triangles are being made in Tribhang. Atibhang. Atibhang is too much bending on same direction. It is being bent more than Tribhang. Either too much bending downward or too much bending upward. Chawk. Chawk is the square position. This pose is also used a lot in Odissi dance. It is taken from Lord Jagannath idol. Equal distance of the feet in shoulder level, knees taken sideward, hands and elbow in equal level.
Thank you for watching. I am Rodri Singh, Odissi dancer. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.